Hi, my friend, and welcome again to my 365 day of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for 365 days. So today is day 161, and of course, we've added another 1,000 using this platform called Piggyvest. For you to get started with Piggyvest, once you click on the link I'm going to pin on our WhatsApp community group, and then you are done with the registration, this is going to be the interface you're going to see. Now, for you to get the link for our community group, I'm going to be leaving it in the video description and also in the comment section. All right, so click there and join the community group. And when you look on the screen, you're going to see how much you've been able to accumulate using this platform called Piggyvest. One of the ways that kept me consistent is that I have to automate my saving, and I would want you to automate your saving. I don't know if by now you are still manually sending money from your local bank account to this platform like Cowrywise and Piggyvest. But for me, I have to automate my saving. Now, how does automation work? It's going to be in a way that Piggyvest or Cowrywise, the one you are going to be making use of, will automatically debit the sum of 1,000 from your local bank account or your traditional bank and then send it over to Piggyvest or Cowrywise without you lifting a finger. Besides, my own debits me around maybe 3 a.m. even when I'm sleeping. I don't even know. All right, so that is the way that I stay consistent. Another way that I stay consistent, and you too can also stay consistent, is by reducing the way you spend. I reduce the way I spend, so you have to reduce the way you spend. It is only someone that has money that can be able to save. So if you don't have any money left in your bank account, how are you going to be able to save? All right, now in case if you are coming across this video for the first time and you want to join this challenge but you feel like you are too late for it, I want to let you know that you are never too late, and it is never too late. I want you to start today that you're watching this video. So my friend, we created a WhatsApp group, and what we do in this WhatsApp group is that we upload ways, strategies and methods you can be able to earn money for yourself online and offline. And I'm going to be leaving the link to join this WhatsApp group in the video description and as well as the comment section. In case you're interested of joining this awesome community group, make sure to click the link in the video description or in the comment section, and I'll be expecting you there. Right now, keep winning and always know that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on the community group, bye for now.